What are you saying, people? Back with a bang. It's Financial Friday. This is the money management. We're going to talk about how to make some money. So for those of you who don't know how to make a little bit of extra change, this is for you. For those of you who do know, this is also for you to make some more. So listen, find something that can make you an extra $20 a day. Just $20 a day. That's it. It can be something which takes, 30 minutes. It can be an hour. It can be $20 in one go. It can be 4 times $5. It can be whatever. Just $20 a day. Now, do that at least 5 times a week. Just 5 times a week. And then do it 4 times a month. When you learn to do that, do it 12 times a year. And there's $4,800. You get that? $20 a day. Do it 5 times a week at least. That's $100 a week. Do that 4 times a month, just give you $400 a month extra. Repeat that 12 times a year and you got almost $5,000 per year. So, it's up to you. If you want to hustle, if you want to put in the effort, the work, you'll get there. Now, for those of you who live near parks, recreational centers, police departments, hospitals, building sites, if you're not making, $20 a day or taking advantage of what you've got, you're really missing out. And I've given you guys many ways to make at least $20 a day, and I'll give you more today. So, to start off with, let's say mowing a lawn. Let's say you mow one lawn, $20 a day, takes you 45 minutes. Perfect. Find someone else the next day and next day and do it 5 times a week. Not every single day of the week, just 5 times if you want. If you want, you can do more. Do it at least, 4 times a month. And it will only be, 20 days, maybe a couple more days if you decide to take up on, an extra couple of days. Repeat it throughout the year and you're going to get your $5,000 extra. Remember that. This is a side hustle. Now, a lot of you are going to say, $20, that's it? You can up it to 30, 40, 50, however much you want to charge to mow someone's lawn. I'm just saying, to make an extra $5,000 a year, you just need to start off with $20 a day. And that's not even every single day of the year. Now, if that's not good enough for you, you live near a local park, cool. Go to a Sam's Club, go to a Costco, buy something in bulk. It can be Powerade, Gatorade, Cheetos. Let's say Cheetos. Pack of 50 Cheetos costs you $25. So effectively that's 50 cents per pack of Cheetos. Now you go to your local park. Take 20 packs of Cheetos with you. Sell them for $1 each. You got your $20 a day. And I guarantee you people will buy them. I made a video the other day talking about how there's 260 million people in America who spend at least $10 a day. Make use of it. $1 for a pack of Cheetos does not seem much to a lot of people. You're going to make your money back selling just 25 packs. You're going to make 100% profit. You bought your pack for $25, you're going to end up making $50. If you want, charge $2. Whatever you want to charge, up to you. But just make sure you're making profit. And when you made that profit, buy more packs. Buy more things you can sell. Don't go and spend it. The only way you're going to spend it is if you're buying stuff which you're going to sell on for more, again. Now, for those of you who are going to say, oh, this is unrealistic, that doesn't happen, blah, blah, no, who's going to buy a pack of Cheetos from me at the park? Listen, try it first and you'll understand how easy it is, how realistic it is. A lot of things people do, other people think, oh, it's not possible until they see it's done in front of them. That's not good enough for you. I'll tell you what I've done before. Bought a pack of 4 donuts for $1. Sold each donut 50 cents. There you go, made $2 off a $1 pack of donuts. People like the convenience. People like just, being able to pick something up right there and then. You don't have to do the work. You don't have to go to the shop and buy it, look for it, find what you want, check out with it. But people love the fact that they can just pick it off you easily. If you don't want to do donuts, I've done cookies, Haribo. There's so many different things you can do. So many different ideas you can use. And again, if you live near those police departments, parks, construction sites, there are different things you can volunteer, well, not volunteer, but ask people that, if they need help with or whatever, offer your services to, just to get $20 a day. You don't have to hustle extremely hard like me and do that, buying what I did was bought a pack of, let's say 12 or 14, 15 cookies in one pack for $1, sold each cookie for 30 cents. And now you might think, oh, that's so expensive. When people go and buy it, they think it's nothing. They just, 30 cents, just extra change. Meanwhile, it's giving you almost $5, maybe more sometimes. And then you can buy more and then sell more and continue the process. Listen, these hustles might sound silly to you, but if it's just to make an extra chunk of change, perfect. By the end of the week, extra $100, it can go a long way. You'll be surprised. It's worth it. Now, for those of you sporty people out there, if you got a park, like I said, you can coach different things. If you're a soccer coach, you can coach little children, younger people, youth for 20, 30, 40, even $50 an hour if you're good enough. And guess what? You can coach a couple kids per day. That's $200 in a day. Can you repeat that 3 or 4 times a week? Perfect. Continue it per month and per year. Repeat it. Incorporate into something else. Maybe, get some people to work with you. Hire some people. That's how businesses start. That's how you see all these coaching agencies and, personal trainers build up their business. They start off alone, start small, and they eventually scale up. Hire a couple people here and there, get more kids involved, charge more per hour. It's all about how you train your eye to see opportunity. It's all about if you want it, if you're ready for it, if you're focused on getting the extra money you need to eventually become financially free. It's not difficult. It might take a little bit long at first, but trust me, if you just find something, you try different things, you're going to find something which is making you extra money. You're going to be surprised. Things you never even thought of. I remember when I was selling Haribo and I was like, people are buying these Haribo packs which say 10p on them for 20p, 50p. Does it make sense? No, but they're buying it, so keep doing it. If no one's complaining, people are buying, continue to do it. Honestly, it's worth it for you. It helps them, it helps you. It's perfect. I mean, you don't have to do the most complicated things like, start a watch brand or, start selling sunglasses or, different things, cabinets. You don't have to go out and buy TVs and fix them up and sell them for more. Go and buy laptops, go and buy, speakers, Bluetooth speakers, wireless headphones. You don't have to do all of that. I mean, I love my watch brand, and if you've not checked it out, go and check it out. But you don't have to do that. You can just do something small. If you want, you can find a cheap place to buy, some pretty cool socks. Sell them for more. People will buy them. Trust me, people will buy them. People love spending money, as you guys know. You just have to learn to put yourself in the path of money, like I talked about a few days ago. Be on the receiving end of money. That's what you need to learn how to do. Do it for yourself, do it for your family, do it for your friends, for whoever. But make sure you do it. Make sure you're focused on getting to the money. So check out yesterday's video about being a weirdo, because that's going to be, that video was great. Be here for tomorrow's video, that one's going to be a good video. Check out my other videos in the past if you want to. Continue to subscribe, like, comment, everything. I've got money to be making. Be back here tomorrow for another video. Peace.